This is a demo of how to use RDT Selector on our web. So go to epiroc.com in your region and then select product, go to rock drilling tools, slide further down, and then you have three digital tools here. So this is rock drilling tool selector and configurator. Click on selector, scroll down, and then the screen opens. You can also make it full screen if you like this, or you can keep it as it is. So here you have on the home page, the yellow color of the tab shows that you are on home page, and then you have different product lines: top hammer, cop rod, handheld, DTH, rotary. So you have the same tabs also here on the top panel, and this part is the selector panel, and then you have also another panel here called configurator. So I will first talk about selector today, and then we can take you to configurator in another video. So look at let's say you want to find a top hammer product, then you can either click here or here on this tab. So if I click on top hammer, then it opens another page, and then you have all top hammer products here: baits, rods, coupling, shank adapter, reaming baits, crossover couplings, and also essential bit and essential rods. Uh, you have panels on the left hand side. Same product categories are available here, so you can select either from here or from the picture. So if I click on bits, the bit page will open up, and now the bit tab here shows the color yellow and top hammer. That means you are on a top hammer page and in the bit page. So here you have the table of all the products with all the attributes of each product, and then if you want to select a product, let's say you want R32 thread, then you select R32. Let's say you want a 45 millimeter bit, then you select 45 millimeter bit. You have option to select in inches as well in the slicer below, and then you can select button type. As you go on making selections, the choice here filters and gives you the product that you have selected. So let's say you want a spherical button, then select spherical button, take a pug face. So pug flat face, you get a part number. So this is a very easy tool to find your product, and entire basket of products are available here. Likewise, you can go to rods. Same kind of selection here. Slicers are available. You can select the thread, you can select the length in millimeter or length in inches, foot and inches. Then what type of product you want. Let's say you want to select R38 or say ET51, and the length of rod is 3.6 meter. Select 3.6 meter. It is a TDS tube, so you already get the part number for the ET51 TDS tube. So likewise, you can make selections. If there are no more options available, then of course there will be no slicer available, no more choices available. For example, if I choose Davis, then you have more choices here, and then you can select, say, speed rod, and then again you find the right part number. Likewise, you can go to coupling, shank adapters, reaming. In reaming, you have options of 6-degree taper angle, 12-degree taper angle, or dome bits or hole openers. So here also you can click on these tabs and then go on, making the selection here. You also have a product code tab here, where you can click and look at product codes. What does it mean? So each of product lines have their product codes, and then it is mentioned here. The abbreviations and the meaning of every digit is mentioned here. So you can also look at these codes. Likewise, you can go to DTH. And then again you have a panel where you have different product baskets, bits, hammers, pipes, adapters, e-kits, and then essential line of same thing. So you can go to say bits. Again, as you go to bits, you see a DTH tab here on the top panel in yellow. That means you are on a DTH page, and then on the bit page, this is also yellow. You can make a selection here depending upon the shank. Let's say you want to select a COP M6 shank, then want to have a flat front button, flat front face, and say 165 millimeter of diameter. So you get two options here, and two options means here dash 20 and dash 12 means it is BH66 or BH30. So dash 20 is BH30. So you can make a selection easily here. That there is a tab for power bits also. All the power bits are not released yet, but still it is available here. We made 4, 5, and 6 inches of power bits, and those are also available here. So you can click on any of those. Let's say you click on 6-inch QL60 shank, and then you get list of all power bits. Here it is also possible to look at the face design of the bits. If you hover your mouse on any part number, then you can see the face of the bit here. So it works very well, and then you can go on hovering your mouse to look at what kind of face these bits have. We want to extend this functionality for all the products going forward, but so far we have only power bits available like this. Then you can go to hammers. If you want to select a hammer, again similar choices here. You can start with which type of hammers or which hammer series you want to select. Let's say you want to select COP Gold series. Select and then you want COP 64 Gold QM version. Make a selection of QM version, and then say backhead you want API 3.5 inch regular. So then you get two part numbers. Of course, the COP 64 Gold hammer has a new version of it, so that's why you have two part numbers appearing here. So you get easy selection of hammers also here. There is another tab in this panel for hammer parts. So you don't need to go anywhere else now to search for hammer parts. That's also available here. Here there is a pre-selection made for COP 20 2-inch hammer, but you can remove it and make a selection once again from here. Let's say you want to again look at COP M series. Go to COP M6, COP M series, and then say you want to look at COP M6 hammer. Click on COP M6, and then you see a poster, service poster, and then all the service parts are available here. You can also make a selection looking at the drawing here. Let's say you want to look at this chuck, then you can click on position 1, and then you get part number for chuck. If you want to see this is 9, I think, or 8. No, this is, anyway. So you can make a selection. You can make it bigger as well. You can go to this focus mode and see the full page. So this was 6 basically. Piston was 6, so you can make a selection of 6 and then see the part number for piston. So you have this option. Similarly, you have product code as well here, so you can go and see code descriptions for each DTH product. And then similarly, you can go to cop rod, or cop rod you have a base, drill string, and conversion kit. So similar options available here. Product codes are also available here. Likewise, you can go to rotary, and in rotary you have tricone baits, pard, pipes, subs, stabilizers, deck bushings, shock subs, and accessories. So same tabs are available here. Similar selection tables are available. You can click on either here or on the picture, and then you get selection table. Start selecting product that you want to see. Air rotary, let's say you want to, if you are more familiar with inches, take inches. Let's say you want 6 3/4 inch, and then select the IADC code that you want to have. So let's say 522, and then you get the part number of the bit. You have also explanation of TCI and UCS codes here. Have a look. You can have a look at these in this tab, and then also steel tooth. Options are available here. Likewise, you can go to handheld, and in handheld also you have drill bits, taper rods, taper drifter rods, shank end rods. So yeah, similar selections here. You can make a selection if you want to select say 7-degree bit, go for 7-degree and take a 35 mm bit, and then you get a part number. So very easy to find part numbers here. So this is the selector part, as I said, and then there is a special functionality here for configurator if you want to configure your rig with products. So I will make a separate video for configurator, and you can have a look at how to use configurator. Thank you.